If we've created a raster grid with the color to values tool and we want to clean that up, we can actually do that with the Pro tools. So for example, we've got this georeferenced image showing a surface. We've got the raster grid that's been created from the color to values tool. If I just flick it on and off, you can see it's done a pretty good job as a first pass. But if we go down here to the corner, we can see there are some anomalies. You can see the pixilation around here. That's where we've got where it gets quite dark and we've got some labels. That's inevitable. You're always going to get some kind of anomalies here. We've got some pixilation here. But we can clean that up with the Pro tools. Pro's got a bunch of really powerful tools to edit rasters. So let's have a quick look. And they're very easy to use as well. So how would we do that? We would go to the imagery ribbon. We go to the pixel editor. And here we've got basically a selection tool. I'm going to retain. Select an area. So I'm going to do polygon. And then we just digitize the area you want to change. So I'm just going to put a bunch of polygons around these. You can even edit single pixels with the tools in the pixel editor, but I'm just going to do areas just to clean a few up. Yeah, let's just do that one. And then, so that's how to select them with that. Then the operations are here. You've got a bunch of operations. I'm going to pick this interpolate from edges. We're going to do, just going to do nearest neighbor algorithm. It doesn't one at a time, so it'll do the one that's selected. So we can see the pixelation in here. We just apply that, and you can see the pixelation is gone. Let's do the next one. Apply, then we'll do this one. You can see the pixelation, apply here. Yeah, and then just remove all of those, and you can see it has cleaned up, and I could carry on. And then you save, or if you've made a mistake, you're not happy with the results, you can just discard the edits, and then you're back, and you can try a different method. So very easy to use, very easy to clean up your raster after it's been created from color to values.